How many hours does your team spend tracking certificate expirations in spreadsheets? And what happens when one slips through the cracks? Expired certificates cause outages, security vulnerabilities, and compliance failures. CertMS was built to make sure that never happens to you again. Welcome to CertMS. From the moment you log in, you have complete visibility into your certificate landscape. Your dashboard shows you exactly what needs attention: certificates expiring soon, recent renewals, and overall inventory health. Everything is organized so you can take action quickly, no digging through folders or searching for emails. Navigation is intuitive. Certificates, alerts, reports, and settings all one click away. Let's start with your certificate inventory. CertMS gives you a centralized view of every certificate your organization manages: SSL, code signing, client certificates, and more. Each certificate record captures the details that matter: expiration dates, issuing authority, associated domains. No more hunting through emails or vendor portals. Certificate expiration is the #1 cause of preventable outages. CertMS monitors every certificate and sends alerts based on reports before problems occur. Integrations also allow CertMS to create help desk tickets immediately when a certificate is coming up for renewal. You can configure in reports how you want to be notified: 30 days out, 14 days, 7 days. Alerts go to the right people via email or help desk tickets, so nothing falls through the cracks. When a certificate needs attention, you'll know about it with time to act. When audit time comes, and it always does, CertMS has you covered. Generate compliance reports that show certificate status and expiration timelines. Export to PDF or share directly with auditors and stakeholders. Proof of compliance without the last-minute scramble. Now, what's new in CertMS 2.0? If you used CertMS before, version 2.0 is a major upgrade. We've completely redesigned the interface for speed and clarity. In 2.0, we've enhanced the dashboard, making it more customizable for your specific use with multiple widgets available. We have also implemented an entire API system, so every aspect of CertMS can be used via the API. Ready to take control of your certificates? Start your free trial today at CertMS.com. Questions? Our team is here to help. Visit the website or reach out to schedule a personalized demo.